Newgen ushers in a new era of insurance policy administration system with a hollowed-out core approach. Good morning and welcome back to Newgen's exclusive, The Inside Scoop. Isn't it wonderful how easily we can renew our motor insurance policy months before it expires? A strong, invisible orchestration layer behind every insurance journey, making every process a dream. This is Aditi Dahal, and we'll decode how insurers can ensure speed and stability without a complete core replacement. Joining us today is Ritesh Varma, Head of Business Consulting and Insurance at Newgen Software, who will explain in detail the customer journey of every intelligent insurer nobody sees, but everybody depends on.
For years, insurers have optimized the core systems for reliability. But as the businesses evolved faster, the core became harder to keep up with. Innovation slowed, transformation became riskier, and even small changes began to depend on the rigid release cycles and heavy customizations. Insurers were willing to rip out their core systems. Newgen saw it as an opportunity and decoupled the intelligence and experience layer from the past core. This core enablement approach allowed insurers to orchestrate underwriting, policy claims, billing, and servicing through more agile layer without rewriting the foundation. The result was faster change, stronger governance, better auditability, and insurance operations that could evolve without destabilizing the core. At that time, when most were focused on replacement, this approach was already ahead of its times.
That's excellent, Ritesh. Thank you for joining us today. The real breakthrough was enabling insurers to evolve more intelligently with their existing core. When change becomes constant, how do you tackle the challenges it brings along? Good day, and we'll see you in the next episode of The Inside Scoop.